Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a mini garden tour. It's Sunday and I'm going to make this part one because I can never make these videos short enough when I'm doing a whole garden. So I'm just going to do a part one today. All right, come on, let's go on out to the garden. So over here we have my black diamond watermelon. They've just been watered by my son. And my black diamonds have been a little slow. This is my first year growing them. And I don't see so far any melons. I don't see any melons so far. My daughter is also growing these and she has huge melons. And we put our melons in the soil. It may have been maybe a week or two apart. And that may be making all the difference. So hopefully, at least now I'm seeing flowers. But before, it was just all of this growth. They have a lot of growth. But next to them, this is a yellow doll. And it not only has flowers, but it has a melon. So I'm excited about that. And look, it has another melon. So my yellow dolls, they have been they have been standing up and representing. So, and next to them, that is my lemongrass. Both of these barrels, that one in there, um, it has some bulbs in it, tulip bulbs, and that one over there also has tulip bulbs. I'm paying attention to them. Just like these two right here, it's been overgrown. I gotta come out here and harvest whatever leeks that's in there. I'm just gonna cut my losses on those leeks and decide to plant something else. Let's see here. Here's my other black diamond, and same thing. It's starting to get flowers, but I'm not seeing any melons on the black diamond. And I'm getting a little nervous about that because this melon is a big melon and it takes a long time, and we are already in July. Look, y'all, I have one right here on this plant. So I am really excited about this. And also has other flowers. Can't really tell if they're male or female. They look like male flowers, but I do have one one plant. If I can get one melon, if I can get another melon, I'd be super uber happy. Even though I'm happy now, but I'd be even happier then. Okay, next to, oh, I need to show you my roselle. This is my St. Kitts roselle hibiscus, and they are doing fabulous in that. I always wondered if I needed to separate those. This is my first time growing this, and if I needed to separate it, can I do that like in the near future? And if you all are familiar with growing roselle hibiscus, please let me know. Put it in the comments to let me know if I can go ahead and put these in separate containers, or I just be just just as good leaving them how they are. All right. And next to them, those are some old shallots I need to pull out. Um, and these two right here are yellow doll. And I tell you, these yellow dolls, they have been they've been producing. Look at that. There's one there. Um, it also has some flowers on it. And look like there are some bees visiting. Some bees visiting. Yes, yes, do what y'all do best. Okay, and we got a lot of vines on here. And I think this is my first time growing these as well. I've had these seeds for a while. No, actually, this is my second time growing these. Um, I don't do that well with growing melons, y'all. At least not any larger melons. So this is the best I've done with growing a larger melon, and I know that there's some other things that I think I might be needing to do. Like I think there are two melons on this vine, and I'm not real sure. Yeah, there's the other little one right there. Not real sure on what I need to do to prune them. And well, I'm gonna do a little research first before I just go ahead and hack it off. All right, moving on. Now, here I have a melon bed. Have a melon bed. And in this bed, this right here is a honeydew. And this one is a, I want to say it's a yellow petite. I think it's a yellow petite, y'all. Let's see. It is indeed. It is a yellow petite. I also have this melon growing on my trellis that is covered with 70% shade cloth. And these melons are very, very prolific. Very prolific. On this end here are sugar babies. Now, the yellow petite, as it indicates, it is a yellow meat watermelon, and it's an icebox size. So, looking forward to seeing how those come through. Not seeing any melons right now. Not seeing any melons right now. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There is a melon. Let me go over here. And it's a nice size over here that's hiding. Where did I see him? He's right here. Look. But I don't think, let's see, where's he coming from? I think he may be a sugar baby. That's the thing about planting these out. Oh, here's another little itty bitty melon. I know they say you're supposed to trim them off um, to get the bigger size melons. I'm gonna be real. These melons got away from me. They got away from me. And so next year I'm gonna have to have a plan on how I'm gonna manage these vines and not plant them so close together. Let's see. All right. And here's another melon. I'm thinking this is a sugar baby too. That's a sugar baby. This baby right here, this is another honeydew melon. And it has really taken off too. Let's see if we see any melons here. Don't see. Ah, there. Look. There are a couple of melons. Wow. And this looks like a. Sure, it is. He's over here invading the honeydew space. I'm gonna put him back in the box. Let's see here. Any more? There's some more. Now, these honeydews, they are called delectable, and I got those seeds from Hoss. And last year, they produced very well. And so looks like they're going to be doing the same thing this year. So that is the bed from this angle here, and it's looking pretty good. Let you all in on a little bit of a secret. I planted some dwarf corn in this bed too. Yeah. So that's going to be interesting if and when that corn does come up. So I planted some of that corn in the green stalk, and that's the second green stalk if you can see it from here. That corn did not pollinate very well. I don't know if I'm gonna try it again, next year, but we'll see. And let's see. This bed is my honey rock bed. Honey rock bed. Now they've started to get flowers on them. I'm glad to see that. This melon also is prolific, and I got those seeds from Hoss. And I'm not seeing any melons on here. All right. So there you have it. There you have it. All right. That is part one of my garden tour for July. And I will see you all again for part two. Please stay tuned. All right now.